My favorite thing to do is at Lake Academy is scooter, play in the field, and work time.
Hi.
Michael, what's your favorite part?
I like to skate on the hockey rink, and I like to color pictures and play in the snow.
Hi, my name is Jonas.
Hi, my name is Zeke.
Our challenges we have to do is like core skills and stuff. And I get pushed a lot, but I overcome them. And it's really fun. I usually use a brain book or a buddy to help me, or a guide if I can't get anybody to help me. And here goes Zeke.
Khan Academy pushes me, Quest pushes me, Core Skills pushes me, and I just try to push through it, and it works most of the time.
Hi, my name is Henry from Lake Academy, and this is what being an independent learner is to me. Being an independent learner is being able to get ahead in your work and not have to stop when everybody else is done. You can get ahead and get more free time.
And my name is Alex. For free time, we can do so much. We have football, we have hockey, we have all sports, scooters, ripsticks, bikes, but in order to earn that free time, we have to do our work and work hard at what we're doing. And the way if we need help is BBB or G, and that stands for Brain, Book, Buddy, and Time.
Hi, my name is Bowen. And to me, an independent learner means you can work at your own pace and you don't have to get held behind with a class.